Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and today I'm going to show you real quick how to make a nice mushroom sauce. You can call it a mushroom demi if you want, or mushroom gravy, and it's great on a variety of different foods. I made this one for my loco moco recipe, so let's get started. Okay, for the gravy you're going to need 2 cups of beef stock, 3 tablespoons of butter, and a half a pound of cremini mushrooms, which are also baby bella, portobello mushrooms. I'm just going to slice these up. I like to take off one little edge, get a flat working surface. Just use the tip of your chef knife, go down and make some slices. Okay, I got the saute pan preheated on medium high. Drop in our butter. There's a little olive oil in there to help with the smoking point. That melted down. Let's start our mushrooms. Looks like a lot of mushrooms, but as you know, they sweat when they cook down. All right, you can see the mushrooms have cooked down. I'm going to put in about a half teaspoon of my garlic shallot puree. If you don't have that, you can use some diced shallots maybe. Just cook that off for a few more minutes. Okay, after a couple minutes cooking off the garlic and shallot, we're going to pour in some red wine, and I have a red wine blend here. You can use Zinfandel, Cabernet, Pinot, whatever your favorite red wine is. Do about a half a cup, and let that reduce till it's almost dry. You don't have to use wine if you don't want to, but it just makes the sauce so much better. Okay, you can see it's reduced, thickened up a little bit. Now we're going to pour in our 2 cups of beef stock. You can even use mushroom stock if you prefer. And then we're going to want to bring this to a boil. Okay, it's come to a boil. We're going to stir in a little bit of roux to thicken it up. You can also use a cornstarch slurry if you like, but I prefer roux. Just a little at a time, just to see it come together and thicken up. And this is the most time-consuming step for making the loco moco. A little more roux. There we go. Just starting to thicken. Give a little bit more. And all roux is equal parts in weight, butter and flour, cooked down until you have a nutty aroma smell. I think I have an old video on how to make a roux. All right, our sauce or gravy is thickened up. You can see it's coating the back of a spoon. That's what you want. And now at this point, we just season it with salt and pepper to taste. Get my fresh cracked pepper in there. I like a peppery sauce. I get a good teaspoon in there. And then just a couple of pinches of salt from the heavens. There you go. We can cheat and call it a mushroom demi. I almost forgot one final step. I like to add a half tablespoon of butter to the finished sauce. Kind of helps it give it a little sheen. There you go. Mushroom demi. Well, I hope you enjoyed this easy mushroom gravy recipe. Give it a try, and as always, thanks for tuning in.